today's video, what I'm gonna be attempting to do is attempting to install the clear timing belt cover on the IS300. So you've probably seen a bunch of these on eBay for like what, 70 bucks. It takes like 4 months to come. This thing finally came. Like on the online, this obviously is for the GTE motor. This is not a GTE. This is a GE motor. So what I did was I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna buy this. 70 bucks, not too big of a loss. I know the front is gonna fit 100%, but right here is where we're gonna have issues right here. And then what I'm gonna be doing obviously is cutting it, but it'll look kind of cool. I've seen it on Google one time. Some guy did it, but he didn't obviously explain it. Okay, so I have the valve cover. My bad. So I got the timing cover right here. So like I was saying before, it fits right here perfectly. So what we're gonna be making modifications to obviously is, so I'm thinking if we cut this like little piece right here, we can probably clear that easy. So that's not a big issue. And the other side is obviously pretty easy as well. This sensor clears right here. The sensor clears. My bad. The sensor clears. All we gotta do is I'm just gonna probably chop it like, bro, my bad. All we gotta do is chop it right here, and then we should be good. It's gonna clear the fill cap right there. Let's get this going. First I'm gonna do is chop this right here, and then cut that straight off. And obviously cut less. Don't just go for it. If this works, then there you go. Let's get the Dremel going. Set the table over there, and whew, hopefully this fits. It fits, and it probably will. That's pretty much perfect right there. I mean, we could do some more cutting right here. To be honest, nah, we're good. I'm just gonna screw it down right there. Damn, that's perfect. Hold on, let me focus real quick. That's literally perfect. Okay, this side's perfect, and then the other side, let's check that out real quick. Dude, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it clears it. See, it clears it like I was saying. And then it fits perfectly. It lines up and everything. So this sensor clears. This is I think the VVTi sensor. I'm not sure. Once again, I'm not sure. So it clears the sensor, and then the back, I was kind of wrong. It does cover it. I think the stock one has like a little foam piece right here. But damn, that's crazy looking. So I'm gonna get that all tightened up, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we are done with this. This is probably the most easiest thing you can probably do on this car. Literally it took like 2 minutes to do. Cut the little edges right here. I'm using the gimbal right now with no mic, so audio might be a little trash, but it's just on the gimbal, so it makes life easier. But anyways, cut like 2 little pieces off right there, and then it fits literally beautiful. Like, it's perfect. The bottom fits perfectly, no issues right there. It clears the sensor. It clears the little harness right here, literally perfect. So I recommend this little mod, whatever you want to say. It looks kind of cool. And if you want to be a little more ricey, you could put like a fucking piece of tape right there on the cam, and then when it spins, it'll look cool, and it'll make all the bitches run away from you. So I'll leave this exact one in the description below. But at the end of the day, they're all the same thing. They're all coming from Taiwan. They're gonna take 3 months to come. But this one was the cheapest one, I believe. I don't know if the price went up, but you know, if it did, it's whatever. It's not too expensive. It's still affordable. It's like 100 bucks or whatever. But anyways, guys, that's gonna end this video. And I do have this thing to install next. Got myself a Gretty exhaust for this car finally. Got some very nice coming. HKS. Sounds okay. It's raspy, but I went with the 3-inch Gretty SP. So stay tuned for that video coming up after this. So anyways, leave this video a like, subscribe, whatever the fuck you want to do. And if you want to see more videos like this. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you do like this kind of content, like this kind of stuff right here, make sure to, leave a like, subscribe, whatever. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this next. Give this video a like. See you next time.